today's video, we shall be looking at how to reduce the background noise of a given sound using the Audacity. So if you have your Audacity installed, you just open it up. So this is my Audacity and it's open. So the first thing I have to do is to import by clicking on File and move to import. I import the audio that I want to remove its background. So let's assume I have an audio here that I want to remove its background. So let's say this is my audio that I want to remove its background. So this is my audio. I want to remove the background noise. So let's listen.
The endpoint of two sides is a vertex of the polygon. A segment that connects any two non-consecutive vertices is a diagonal.
You need to select the silent part, but here I would like to zoom up some part of it so that you can see it very well. So let's assume this is the silent part of the audio. So I'll first select it, click on Effects, and I'll select through this drop down menu, select Noise Reduction. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to get the noise profile. So now noise profile is button. So the next thing we will do is to select the piece of the audio that we would like to remove the background noise. So let's assume that this is a portion that I want to remove the background noise from. So I select it, go back to the effect process, click on noise reduction, and here is where we will be adjusting in our step 2, adjusting the noise reduction, the sensitivity, and the frequency smoothing. Okay, so I will first preview based on the values that we have in the text boxes.
Or didn't fully connect, then it can't be called.
So you can see that based on the values that we have, there was a noise reduction.
Or didn't fully connect, then it can't.
So we just adjust these values so that some noise can be reduced. So previewing it.
Or didn't fully connect,
You can see that there's noise reduced. So I press on OK. Then the noise is reduced. You see the changes in the button. So
or didn't fully connect, then it can't be called a polygon.
Good. So here we have been able to reduce some of the background noise of our audio. So the next thing to do is to export our file. So you can export as MP3, export as WAV, OGG, or other audio formats that you wish to export.